Hello, this is channel Layer Ace, and in this quick Adobe Illustrator tutorial I will show you how to make flat style shadow for your text or shapes. So let's try this on text. Make this bolder. So to add this flat style shadow on text, you have to convert text to shapes and go to Object, Expand, and here you go, you created a shape. Now let's leave our text black. We will use this for our shadow. Now by holding Alt key, drag your text shape down. You can drag right here, for example. Now let's make this white and go to Object, Arrange, and Send to Back. And also make this... Okay, let's just make this white. And now select again this black text and go to Object, Edit, Copy, and Edit, Paste in place. You can do the same by holding Ctrl C, Ctrl F. And okay, now make this white and lock this layer. Now select previously created text shapes and go to Object, Blend, and Make. Now go to again Object, Blend Options, make for example 10 copies. Not enough, make 100 copies. Looks about alright. And now to go Object and Expand, and now we have 102 shapes of our text blended from black to white. Now we can add, for example, transparency and make this opacity multiply and unlock our white text shape and group everything, and you can play with your object. So this is how you create flat style shadow, very easy to do. And also you can make let's open up graphic style panel. Okay, you can make a graphic style for flat shadow, and you can just draw a shape and add your flat shadow on any shape or text with single click. This is very useful, and if you want to know how to do this, please give a comment, and I will show you in the next video how to do this. And okay, if you want to support, go to Patreon page and become a patron. Also you can find all files for tutorials on my Patreon page. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.